Hey, it's David Farmer, and today we are excited to talk about Express Cash Offer. This is the latest piece of technology that we have released at Entice, and we're super excited to be able to share with you some of the features. Now, there's so many different things to talk about with Express Cash Offer, but I really want to get into exactly how a customer can interact with the technology on your dealership website. So let's do that. So what I'm going to do is just go ahead and jump into our demo. So first of all, if you want to learn more information from Entice.com, just go to products, click on Express Cash Offer, and there you can read about how we are able to decode that and provide a real offer to customers in real time when they visit your dealership website. All about the user engagement and so on. But when you're ready to experience it for yourself, just go ahead and click that little demo button in the upper right-hand corner, and it's going to open up our new test website, wahoocar.com. Now, this is a version of our new companion website, but really it's designed to be a test site for our potential dealers to play around with our technology. As you're going to see right on the home page, we have this new Express Cash Offer widget. Now, this is going to be able to provide your dealership to have the same type of technology that is utilized by the Tier 1 online retailers such as Carvana, CarMax, Vroom, Shift. As you know and as you've noticed, all of these companies are using the ability to provide a real offer in real time as their primary marketing message. And the reason they're doing that is because it's super successful, and you would be able to utilize this marketing message to cut through the clutter and create some differentiation for your dealership versus all your competition. With that said, let's take a little closer look here. So we got our Express Cash Offer widget right on the home page. From here, I'm going to be able to get a real offer in real time by providing my VIN number or my plate number. We're able to decode all license plates from all 50 states. Just select plate, enter in the plate number, select the state, and we're going to convert that into a VIN. For this demo, I already have a VIN number selected. I'm just going to paste that in. Now, if you're curious about how you can educate customers about what a VIN is if they don't know, we do have this nice little link right underneath the VIN text box that a customer can click on and learn more about what a VIN number is and where to find it. Now, after they enter in their VIN, they do need to select what state that they're from, and then from here, they select Florida, enter in their miles. Now, if they don't have their VIN number, we also give them the opportunity to get an estimate, and they can do that by clicking that button right there. But for this demo, we're going to be focusing on getting a real offer. Now, with this, as soon as I open up and click that Get Offer, it's going to open up the full user experience on your dealership website. Now, this is going to work exactly the same way on a mobile device as it does on a desktop device. We're going to keep the customer on your dealership website. It is going to provide the customer a full 100% width, 100% height overlay right on your dealership website on a mobile device, or it's going to be docked nicely either on the right-hand side, left-hand side, or docked center on your dealership website, depending on how we want to have that set up. So for example, now I do have the interactivity to be able to move this around, really providing just a little bit more level of engagement for customers. But the real reason that we have this capability is that we are currently working on a new product to incorporate chat directly into our user interface. I can give you a quick sneak peek of what this looks like right from our other test website by clicking Get Offer. And then, oops, actually this is the wrong one. Let's pop over to this one right here. And you can see there, that is the chat. But right from the beginning, if I go from here, enter in that VIN number, put in my miles, select a state, open up the user interface. Let's say that I want to chat. I got this chat icon built right in, and that's going to open up the chat interface right on the on your dealership website. Now, if I do the same thing and I'm docked on the right-hand side like I am for our other, it's going to automatically push my user interface over. It's going to open up chat, providing the customer the ability to chat with somebody at your dealership or in our fully staffed 24/7 chat operator team to be able to chat as a backup to you. So a customer is going to be able to chat and ask any questions, and the chat operator is going to know exactly where the customer is at, what page they're on, what tool that they're in, to be able to provide some real good context. So we're excited about that, but this video is about Express Cash Offer. Now from here, I click Get Started. Now it's going to take me through this step and this process to be able to get a real cash offer in real time. The first thing that we're going to do is we are going to ask the customer for their first name and their last name and their email address. Now, one of the things I want to share with you is another new enhancement that we've added to our technology. And what this allows us to do is test automatically whether a email is good or not. So we're going to make sure that we're going to test through Verify that the email is good before we allow the customer to take that next step. So there's no longer are you going to get any bad emails from leads through the Entice platform. Every single one of them is going to get validated. They can't go forward with a bad email. So I'm going to go back in here, put in a valid email, and then put in my phone number, and then click Next. All right, so from here, you can see that we've already decoded the vehicle. It's a 2018 Hyundai Elantra. Now, this is where a customer has the ability to select the star value. This is how they rank their vehicle. So there's a lot of different technologies in the marketplace right now to allow a customer to get a trade value, and they do base that evaluation based on user feedback. What we've done with our star value system is we've really condensed all of those questions that a customer might be asked to determine the value into answering one question, and that is, what is the condition of your vehicle? So a consumer is able to select either a 1, 2, 3, or 4-star value. If they don't know what that means, they can just look right here on the question mark icon. They can open that up, and they can learn all about what it means to have a vehicle that's pretty awesome, or 3 stars. You have the ability to customize how we are going to provide a value to a customer based on that star value. What it does is it provides you the ability to be fully transparent, but build in some flexibility once a customer comes into the dealership in case they have rated the vehicle incorrectly. You can then move down to different star value evaluations or values when you're providing that customer the option to purchase that vehicle or trade it in on a new vehicle. Customer does also have the ability to provide the information about if they have a balance on their vehicle. From here, they can take the next step, and optionally, they can upload images of their vehicle. We find that highly engaged customers are taking the time to upload photos of their vehicle to provide additional context to the dealer to provide a real offer. Now, this is an extension of our Express Cash Offer 1.0, if you're familiar with that tool, where a customer must upload images to request an Express Cash Offer or a sight unseen appraisal based on those photos. But with Express Cash Offer 2.0, this is now optional, but it does allow it allows you to know how highly engaged these customers are. We find that 10 to 15% of customers will upload images of their vehicle. As these leads come in, you'll see that, and then you can utilize that to make that determination for customers. Now, in this case, I'm just going to go ahead and skip it and go to the next thing, and then boom, real offer in real time. So let's just take a minute to let you know how we've determined what this offer is. Now, we've teamed up with a lot of different data providers to be able to create the Express Cash Offer, a couple of them being Black Book and Auto Check. We're able to take that VIN utilizing Black Book's enhanced vehicle matching that utilizes machine learning and over 2 million data records to determine that VIN to an exact match to a trim level and hard ads. From that, what we're able to do is pull in the auto check data, find out multiple owners, airbag deployment, title issues such as flood, such as rebuilt, commercial usage, multiple owners, service records, lack of service records. All of that goes into a historically adjusted evaluation based on that individual vehicle and the miles and the location that we have. Now, in addition to that, we provide a Express Cash Offer, which we abbreviate ECO. We've created an ECO matrix. This ECO matrix allows you at the dealership to pick and choose what vehicles that you want to enhance the value that's returned from Black Book Online with all of the data providers, or we can even deduct that. So we have an Express Cash Offer matrix with an Express Cash Offer a percentage that allows you to a multiplier. So it's an Express Cash Offer multiplier. So if it's 90%, we're going to go 90% of the selected value for the individual star value. So we're able to take your feedback into consideration on what vehicles that you want to be a little bit more aggressive or less aggressive on to provide a real offer to consumers when they visit your dealership website. Now, with this, we provide an authorization number, an expiration date with that real offer. They do have the ability to select an appointment date and appointment time to bring the vehicle to you and have it go through a quick on-site inspection that's required for a customer to sell their vehicle to you. So they can select an appointment day, appointment time. This is going to be fully disclosed with the customized disclosure right there. Then we take this next step, and we also have the ability for dealership groups where you can select the drop-off locations or your buy center locations where a customer can choose which dealership that they want to choose from, and it'll show up right on that map. And also they have the ability to enter in their home or office address and be able to see where that other location is in in consideration of where they want to select for a drop-off location. Once they hit complete, this is kind of where the magic happens. We're going to provide them with a real Express Cash Offer certificate that is fully disclosed with the Express Cash Offer, with the authorization number, with all the information about that vehicle, the appointment time and date, the drop-off location, all the customer's information. All of this is going to be immediately emailed to your dealership as well, and it's going to be emailed directly to the consumer with an Express Cash Offer certificate included in that email. So with that said, we really only touched the surface of Express Cash Offer in this video. Stay tuned or look on entice.com for more videos that's going to talk about more features on how you can embed the Express Cash Offer technology on your dealership website, whether that's from a custom CTA button on an SRP or a VDP, or our new a horizontal banner that can be placed on an SRP or VDP or any other page on your dealership website, or if it's going to be included on our companion site. Really appreciate your time spending it with me to learn more about Express Cash Offer. You're going to find this video among many others on Untice.com.